guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Portia. If you haven't been here before, thank you for being here, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
If you guys haven't watched my other video about the aloe and rice water, please go do so. It'll be linked down below. This video is about aloe and rice water. So I actually trimmed my hair in that video, but I just recently recut my hair. So I actually did cut a lot of my hair off. There is like no more dead ends. I cut it pretty short. It's about right here. So we're just gonna get started. I have my aloe and I put my rice water in a spray bottle because I'm going to spray rice water on my hair, okay? This crap stinks, right? It smelled up my whole house. It was sitting for like 4 days. So in this has castor oil and another scalp stimulating oil, and then rice water. It still stinks. And I have my Tangle Teaser and ponytail scrunchies, and I'm just going to section my hair off and add the aloe. Then spray my hair with rice water. Then put it in a cap and let it condition. I don't know if I'm supposed to spray my hair with rice water every day, but I don't think I can last with that smell lingering on me. So, I don't know. Okay, y'all. I'm about to spray this rice water on my hair. The last time I put the aloe on my head, I had lots of single strand knots. I had tangles. I had really small knots out at the end of my hair. Now that I've cut my hair, I don't have those problems since I have cut my hair. So take this, shake it up. Oh my god, this smells awful. And spray. Alright, I'm spraying. It's like lavender mixed with dookie. But I'm gonna spray. And then I'm gonna take my table teaser before this drips onto my face. I'm going to work that in my hair. Oh my god, yeah, that stinks. I do not know how people do that every day. I do have to spray more, and I'm sad about it.
Few moments later.
Okay, you guys, so I'm done. I will catch up with you guys when I do this again in about a week. I'm gonna put a bag over my head to give this some steam, to really let it soak in, but I am done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the first video to see how I actually rinse with the rice water. This time I just sprayed it in my hair with a spray bottle. That's gonna last me another week or two. So, and it's just gonna keep, it stinks, y'all. Like, yo, whoever sprays this on their hair every day must be using some good perfume or something, because that thing is funky. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next hair update video. Peace.